In this video, I show you how to source historical index data from Bombay Stock Exchange website. So you need a historical data of stock indices or indexes for multiple purposes. Suppose if you want to calculate the systematic risk, that is a beta coefficient of a stock, then you need an index value. And if you want to perform the portfolio analysis of using various methods like a Sharpe index or Trainer's index, there also you may need the systematic risk, that is a beta. And in addition to that, understanding the index values, that is calculating the index value, will give you a general understanding of how actually the stock market is moving. So indexes are of different types, like a broad market index is there, sectorial index is there, and indexes are classified on a capitalization. But in this video, I show you how to download the broad market index from the Bombay Stock Exchange, that is a BSE Sensex. Now, official website of the Bombay Stock Exchange is bseindia.com. Here is the official page of a Bombay Stock Exchange. Now, in this page, there are multiple links. Click on the page named as a markets. A new page is opened with various products of a BSE. Here you have indices. You can see here you have an indices here. Now click on the indices. Then different categories of indices are listed here, like equity indices or equity indexes, sector and industry indexes, thematic indexes, so strategy indexes. Click any one. Now I am clicking here on a S&P BSE Sensex. So this will take you to a new page. Scroll the page up. Then onto your left hand corner, here you will see the historical values. Okay, once you see the historical values, click on the historical values. A new page is displayed with the historical data options. Now here in index drop down list, select the index for which you want to source the data. So I'm selecting here the BSE Sensex. Then you can source the time period or frequency, whether you want a daily, monthly or yearly. I am clicking here for a daily. Then this is a time period, from what date to what date you need a data. So I want to source the data for one calendar year, that is a 2019. So 2019, then Jan 1st. So from that day to end of 2019, that is 2019, then December 31st. Then click on the submit button. So here is the data for you. Index is S&P BSE Sensex. Date, open, high, low. The values including a close are given here. Now scroll the page up. In the bottom, you will find a link to download the data. So here kindly download the CSV file to view all records. Click on the download button. Then select the source where you want to download a file. Now saying that I want to download this on a desktop, I selected a desktop, then save. The file is downloaded for you. So click on the downloaded file. Now as I was mentioning, in this here you have a data in a CSV file format. CSV is a comma separated value format. In this case, you may not be able to perform many of your statistical analysis in Excel. So it is better to convert the CSV file format into an Excel workbook. To do that, then click on the file, then click save as. I'm saving this on a desktop, and here you give a name. I'm saying that it is a BSE Sensex for 2019. Then in a save as a type, select Excel workbook, then save. Now you can see the file name BSE Sensex 2019. This is an Excel workbook. Now on this you can do any calculations using Excel, and also observe the date here. So your date is in oldest to newest, that is a chronological order. So no need to worry about. In this video, I shown you how to download index historical data from Bombay Stock Exchange official website. Now once you have downloaded your data, to perform your calculations like calculating of a daily return or frequency distribution on this data, or calculating the risk of this data, or combining this with other individual stock indexes to calculate correlation, or calculating the beta, that is a systematic risk and all. So you watch my videos in the playlist titled as a risk return analysis. There I provided all those videos which help you to perform analysis using the historical data. Thank you.